This is David. Within his company, he is responsible for the digitization of mobile goods. David always wants to know exactly what happens to his property. He needs full transparency. Where are his containers and trolleys or his other small load carriers? He wants to communicate efficiently with his employees so that he can be sure that his goods have been delivered on time. And very important, he wants to protect his property from theft and misuse. He knows that the Internet of Things can help him, but the offers he's seen on the market so far are either too complicated, too expensive, non-functional, or not compatible for his needs. A friend told David about Lost and Found's award-winning IoT systems. So he installs the innovative system VELUMplus with flexible clamp system, which has a battery life of several years at his property and receives in the future important information on his computer and cell phone. Now he protects his property easily with the comfortable advanced monitoring functions. David is now informed via email, text message, or system call if something unusual happens to his property. He can also request electronic proofs of work, forward them to his customers at the push of a button, and even can create an overview of his resource utilization at any time. Thanks to Lost and Found's cost-effective solution, he can also easily transmit orders to his employees and communicate efficiently with them. And because Lost and Found is also a founding member of the Open Telematics Association, he also has a standard interface with which he can share the collected data with software providers in his field. David now uses Lost and Found, the innovative supplier that has been in business since 2009, every working day. And if he has a question, the friendly support team is available from 7 to 1900 hours. Lost and Found also helps him in his questions on data protection and GDPR matters of his drivers. And because Lost and Found also takes care of emissions, the company's data center is completely CO2 neutral. Do it now like David and gain efficiency with Lost and Found's cost-effective and award-winning IoT systems. Start your interaction by filling the solution finder on Lost and Found.